Have you ever noticed how some dark spots on the face seem impossible to fade no matter how many creams people try? At first they look small, easy to hide, but slowly they become darker, more visible, and harder to ignore. Some people spend years buying expensive skincare products, changing routines every month, and still feel disappointed every time they look in the mirror. And the strange part is this: many people focus only on what they put on the skin while completely ignoring what they put inside the body every single day. Your skin is not separate from your health. What you eat, drink, and repeat daily may quietly affect how your skin looks over time. Now, this is very important to understand clearly. Healthy skin improvement is usually a natural, consistent process. It is not magic. No food can instantly erase dark spots overnight, and no natural ingredient should replace professional medical advice or treatment for serious skin conditions. But certain nutrient-rich foods may help support healthier-looking skin and improve overall skin appearance gradually when combined with good skincare habits and consistency. Before we go deeper, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And in the comments, tell us, how long have you been struggling with dark spots on your face? Because honestly, one food later in this video shocked many skincare experts because most people eat it without realizing how powerful its nutrients may be for skin health. Red bell peppers. Most people see red bell peppers as just another salad ingredient, but inside that bright red color are nutrients many skincare experts continue talking about for healthier-looking skin. Red bell peppers naturally contain high amounts of vitamin C and beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. These nutrients are often connected with skin support, collagen production, and overall skin appearance. And here is why this becomes interesting for dark spots. As people age, the skin naturally slows down in many ways. Old skin cells stay longer, the face may start looking duller, uneven skin tone becomes easier to notice. Sun exposure, stress, and unhealthy habits may also affect how dark spots appear over time. This is why many healthy skincare routines focus on supporting the skin gently from both inside and outside. Some wellness experts compare vitamin A nutrients to supporting the skin's natural renewal process. That is one reason ingredients related to vitamin A continue appearing in many skincare conversations today, but many people completely ignore natural food sources. Another important detail is hydration and freshness. Red bell peppers naturally contain a lot of water, which may help support overall skin hydration as part of balanced eating habits. And hydrated skin often looks smoother, brighter, and healthier compared to dry, stressed skin. Some people eat red bell peppers raw in salads, others cook them lightly with eggs or vegetables. The goal is not perfection, the goal is consistency. And honestly, that is where many people fail. They try healthy habits for 3 days, then quit. Healthy-looking skin usually comes from small routines repeated patiently over time, not panic or overnight expectations. Another reason red bell peppers attract attention is because vitamin C plays a role in collagen support. Collagen helps skin maintain firmness and structure as people age. And when the skin looks firmer and healthier overall, dark spots sometimes appear less noticeable visually. This does not mean red bell peppers are a miracle cure. But as part of balanced eating and healthier routines, many people include them regularly to help support healthier-looking skin naturally. And surprisingly, the next food in this video is not even famous for skincare at first, yet many people quietly drink it every single day without realizing how strongly it may support calmer and healthier skin over time. Green tea. There is a reason green tea appears again and again in conversations about healthy skin, and no, it is not because of expensive advertising. For many years, people in different parts of the world have quietly included green tea in daily routines because of the natural compounds it contains. One of the most talked about compounds is called EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that many wellness experts believe may help support calmer-looking skin and protect skin cells from daily stress. Now here is something many people never think about. Dark spots do not always appear only because of sunlight or age. Sometimes irritation, inflammation, unhealthy habits, and stressed skin may also affect how uneven the skin looks over time. This is why many skincare routines today focus not only on beauty products, but also on reducing things inside the body that may stress the skin repeatedly. And that is where green tea became interesting. Many people replace sugary drinks with green tea during the day because it feels lighter and more refreshing. Some enjoy it warm in the morning, others drink it in the evening as part of calming routines instead of reaching for sweet sodas or energy drinks. And surprisingly, some people say their entire routine changes after adding calmer habits into daily life. Better hydration, less sugar, less stress eating. Small habits slowly begin connecting together. Another important detail is stress itself. Many people notice their skin looks worse during stressful periods. Breakouts increase, skin looks tired, dark marks appear more noticeable. This is one reason peaceful routines often become part of healthy skincare lifestyles too. And honestly, green tea is not only about the drink itself, it is also about slowing down, sitting calmly for a few minutes, giving the body a break from constant stress. Healthy-looking skin often reflects healthy routines more than people realize. Some people even use cooled green tea gently on the skin in certain home skincare routines because of its refreshing feel. But consistency and patience matter much more than trying aggressive shortcuts. Fatty fish or flax seeds. Many people spend money on expensive creams trying to make their skin look softer and smoother, while completely forgetting something very important. Skin needs support from inside too. And one of the biggest things healthy skin needs is proper hydration and healthy fats. This is why fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel became popular in wellness discussions. They naturally contain omega-3 fats, which many experts believe may help support skin hydration and overall skin health. Now think about dry skin for a moment. When skin becomes too dry, rough, or stressed, uneven texture and dark marks sometimes become easier to notice visually. Dry skin may also lose some of its natural glow, making spots stand out more clearly. That is why many people focus on keeping the skin supported and hydrated from the inside as part of balanced routines. And for people who do not eat fish, flax seeds became a very popular alternative. Tiny seeds, but surprisingly powerful nutrients. Some people mix flax seeds into oatmeal. Others add them to smoothies or yogurt. Small daily habits like these may feel simple, but healthy skin routines are usually built through repeated small choices over time. Another interesting thing many viewers may relate to is this. Some people notice their skin starts looking healthier after improving overall eating habits, not because of one miracle food alone, but because the body finally begins receiving better nutrition consistently. Less junk food. More balance, more nutrients, more hydration. The skin slowly reflects those changes over time. And honestly, this may be the biggest mistake people make with skincare today. They expect instant perfection after one product or one meal. But healthy-looking skin usually develops through patience, consistency, and smarter daily habits repeated again and again. And the next food in this video shocked many people because most viewers already eat it regularly. Eggs, lutein, and sulfur. Sometimes the foods people ignore the most quietly contain some of the most important nutrients for the body. Eggs are a perfect example of that. Many people see eggs only as a cheap breakfast food, but inside eggs are nutrients that wellness experts continue discussing for skin, body strength, and healthy aging support. Two of the most talked about nutrients are lutein and sulfur, and here is why this matters for skin appearance. As people grow older, the skin naturally changes over time. It may lose firmness. Under eye areas may start looking heavier. The face can begin appearing more tired even when someone feels completely fine. Dark spots and uneven skin tones sometimes become more noticeable because the skin no longer looks as smooth and firm as before. This is one reason collagen support became such a popular topic in skincare conversations. Collagen helps give skin structure and firmness, and sulfur is one of the nutrients connected to collagen production inside the body. Now, this does not mean eating eggs will magically erase dark spots overnight. Healthy skin does not work like magic. But balanced foods that support the body properly may help the skin maintain a healthier overall appearance over time. And honestly, many healthy eating habits are much simpler than people expect. Some people add boiled eggs to breakfast, others include eggs with vegetables during lunch or dinner. Small, consistent habits often matter more than complicated routines people quit after 1 week. Another interesting thing about eggs is how filling they feel compared to sugary processed breakfasts. Some people say they feel more balanced and energized after eating protein-rich meals instead of sweet snacks early in the day. And here is something many viewers never connect together. Healthy-looking skin often reflects overall lifestyle patterns. Better sleep, better food, better hydration, less stress. The face slowly begins showing those habits over time. This is why many skincare experts say healthy skin usually starts far deeper than creams alone. And the next food in this video surprised many people because only a tiny amount is needed. Yet it contains a mineral many wellness experts describe as protective support for skin cells. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts do not look special at first. They are not colorful. They are not trendy. Most people walk past them in stores without thinking twice. But inside these nuts is something that caught the attention of many wellness experts around the world: selenium. Brazil nuts are known as one of the richest natural food sources of selenium, a mineral connected with supporting the body's protective systems. Some experts describe selenium as helping support skin cells against daily environmental stress caused by pollution and sunlight exposure. And honestly, modern skin deals with stress constantly: sunlight, dirty air, lack of sleep, stressful lifestyles, poor food habits. All of these things may affect how skin looks over time. This is one reason many healthy skincare routines today focus not only on products, but also on supporting the body with balanced nutrition. Now here's the surprising part. People usually need only a very small amount of Brazil nuts because selenium levels are naturally very high inside them. Many individuals simply eat 1 or 2 nuts as part of balanced eating habits. And perhaps that is one reason this food became so interesting. Tiny food, powerful nutrients, simple habit. Some people even replace unhealthy snacks with nuts during the day because they feel more satisfying and natural compared to processed junk foods filled with sugar and artificial ingredients. Another thing many viewers may notice is this: people with healthier eating patterns often begin changing other habits too. More water, better sleep, healthier meals, calmer routines. One positive habit slowly pushes another positive habit forward, and honestly, that may be the real secret many people miss. Healthy-looking skin is usually not created by one miracle cream alone. It is often the result of many small daily habits working together quietly in the background for months and years. But the final food in this video may surprise viewers the most because it is sometimes called the mechanic of the skin. Pumpkin seeds. Most people never imagine that tiny green seeds could become part of a healthy skin routine, but pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, have become very popular in wellness discussions because they naturally contain high amounts of zinc. And zinc plays an important role in supporting skin repair and overall skin health. This is why many people interested in skincare pay attention to foods rich in zinc, especially when dealing with marks left behind after old breakouts or stressed skin. Some wellness experts even describe zinc as helping support the skin's natural recovery process because the body uses it while maintaining and repairing tissue. Now, this does not mean pumpkin seeds instantly remove dark spots. Healthy skin improvement takes time, patience, and consistency, but balanced foods containing important nutrients may help support healthier-looking skin gradually as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Some people add pumpkin seeds to oatmeal. Others sprinkle them over salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Small daily habits like these often become easier to continue long-term compared to complicated skincare routines people quickly abandon. And honestly, that may be the biggest lesson hidden inside this entire video. Healthy-looking skin usually comes from repeated small choices. Better foods, better protection from sunlight, less irritation, more patience. Simple habits done consistently often matter more than expensive trends people follow for only a few days. This content is shared for educational and general wellness purposes only. Skin conditions can have many different causes, so always speak with a qualified healthcare professional or dermatologist for proper advice, diagnosis, or treatment before making major skincare or diet changes. And now tell us in the comments, which food surprised you the most in today's video? And if you enjoy simple health and skincare videos explained in easy English, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for the next one.